Okay, firstly, the sine theta. Sometime in exam, I may write it in this form. We know that theta represents the domain, and it may be right in this form or in this form. So you must be familiar of the both form. Here, both have the same meaning. Okay, this means theta is domain and sine theta is the along the y-axis and theta is along the x-axis. Okay, so sine theta. What is the Maclaurin series? Fx is equal to, yes, what is the Maclaurin series? Hadi, what is the Maclaurin series? Mathematically. Sum of n equal to 0 to infinity fn 0 n factorial. That is okay. Maclaurin series. Okay. So this is the as we know that here this is not x. Here this is a x instead of x there, that is a theta, and x will be replaced with the theta. Here x means the domain element. Okay, so if there is a theta, then that will be a theta power n. Okay, so that you must be familiar with this term. If there is x, you must use the x. If there is a theta, then you must use the theta. If there is a alpha, then you must use the alpha. That may be a x, y, z, or theta, t, whatever. Omega t. Sometime in physics you use the omega t. So you must be familiar. That is the domain element. That is not necessarily that is x or a y or z. Okay. What is the sign? So what is the different value of f theta? F theta, f0 or f theta is sine theta. Now you are familiar with this, so we don't need to directly write f theta. I may write f0. Okay, f0 is sine 0. Sine 0 is equal to 0. Okay, f dash theta, f dash 0 is a derivative of sine is cos. That will be a 1. Minus sine 0 minus cos 0 1. Derivative of minus sine. Derivative of sine theta is cos, that minus from. So cos 0 is 1, that is equal to minus 1. Yes. Okay, 1 minute. Please be silent. Sine 0 is 0. Derivative of sine theta is cos theta. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Derivative of cos is minus sine, and that will be a 0. Derivative of sine will be cos. Cos equal to 1, that will become a minus 1. The fourth derivative will be again minus minus plus, that will be a 0. 5 cos theta, that will be equal to 1. Derivative of sine is cos. Okay, and that will. So 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 6 is minus sine 0, that will be again 0. 7 is minus cos 0, that will be equal to minus 1. So, value is changing in this sequence 0 plus 1 0 minus 1 0 plus 1 0 minus 1. So, these are the sequence of the change in the values. Okay. Okay. So, f theta will become yes. What value will be of theta? That is n equal to 0 to infinity theta n f n 0 n factorial. That mean that is equal to n theta 0 mean 1 and first derivative is 0. Zero factorial plus theta power 1 and that is actually theta 0 f 0 factorial plus theta f 1 plus so on. So, power 0 you may write from power 0 is 1, f 0 is 0. So, this term is equal to 0 plus this term theta is as it f 1 is 1, okay. 1 factorial is a 1, factorial 1 is equal to 1, okay. Plus theta 2 is 0, again 0, okay, this is 0, plus theta 3 is minus 1, okay. Theta 3 over 6 or 3 factorial, firstly write in this 3 factorial and that derivative is minus 1, okay. Plus again 0 for 4 0 plus 5 for 5 theta 5 factorial 1 6 0 7 minus theta 7 over 7 factorial, okay, and plus so on, okay. Yes, and in short we may write in this way theta plus theta minus theta 3 factorial or 3 factorial plus theta 5 over 5 factorial minus theta 7 over 7 factorial plus and this, okay. Okay. Theta 1, theta 3, theta 5, theta 7. So, all even value is missing, 0 and all even value is missing, okay. So, these are the odd numbers, okay. So, you may say that the theta can may be right in this form, yes. Value of n is according to Maclaurin series, value of n must be changed n equal to 0 to infinity, okay. minus 1 because it is a plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So that mean the power of minus 1 is n, but here theta power is 1, here 3, 5, 7, that is odd multiple, and I have already explained you in the previous lectures when there as in the form of the pi by 2. Okay, whenever there is odd multiple, you have you must write 2n plus 1 because the numbers are odd. 1, 3, 5 and 7 are odd number. So the formula of theta will be power of theta will be 2n plus 1. All odd series will be written in this form. Okay. And the denominator is also here is denominator is 1, here is 3, the 5, here is a 7. The denominator is also an odd number, so that's why that must be a right 2n plus 1. And when we change the value of n different, then that answer will be only the odd number. When n is equal to 1, sorry, when n is equal to 0, answer will be a 1. When n is equal to 2, then answer will be a 3. When n is equal to 2, when n is equal to 1, answer will be a 3. When n is equal to 2, answer will be a 5. When n are equal to, so this 1, 3, 5, 7. So this type of the series will be obtained. And power of minus 1 is n only, that is in series. That mean sometime it will be plus, sometime it will be minus. For even number, for odd number, that will be sorry, for some minus 1 if the power is even, then that will be a plus. If the power is odd, then that will be a minus. So that's why minus plus you will get. So this series will be equal to this. So this will be the series of the sign. And so if in exams write the Maclaurin series of the sin theta, you must write this. Okay, so this will be answer. Okay. Okay. So in the case of the second, if we go to the answer of the second exercise, that is theta cos theta for the case of cos theta, what will be the answer? Yes. That will be a cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Okay. Derivative of cos is minus sine. 0 minus cos minus 1 . 1 minute. Derivative cos sine minus sine derivative of cos is minus, okay, sorry, sine, and sine 0 is 0, again cos 0 1 minus sine 0 0 minus cos 0 minus 1. The okay, yes. Now this will become even. Okay. As if anyone asks the question why the sine theta sine is a odd function, because the that is the odd, that's why that is odd. But when we check that what is the because these are the power of odd. If theta is negative, the answer will be a negative. Okay, so that means this what this implies. This implies that sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, because you are taking the odd power of theta. So whenever for odd, plus is a plus and even is a For odd, minus theta is equal to negative sign will become out. Okay, theta is minus theta equal to minus theta, but for even minus theta will be equal to theta. Okay, even power plus minus even के लिए plus minus same होगा, even के लिए plus minus same होगा और odd के लिए plus minus जो है वो डिफरेंट होता है, माइनस के लिए माइनस होगा, प्लस के लिए प्लस होगा। तो बट इवन के लिए क्यों, यही वजह है क्योंकि इसकी ऑड पावर ले रहे ये, क्योंकि सारी पावर ऑड्स हैं, इस वजह से साइन नेगेटिव विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस साइन, दैट्स व्हाई द साइन इज अ ऑड फंक्शन, दैट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। एंड इस तरह की चीज़ें ओके। नाउ अब हमने कॉस के लिए निकालेंगे, तो व्हाट विल बी हैपन विद द अबाउट द व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट अबाउट द कॉस। Okay, so for cos theta, yes, theta is equal to 1, theta 1, okay. 1 factorial plus 0 minus theta 2 factorial, because this is minus 1, okay, plus 0 plus theta 3 theta 4 over 4 factorial plus 0 minus 6 over 6 factorial plus 0. You may say that theta one factorial minus 2 factorial plus theta 4 factorial minus theta 6 factorial and so on. Okay. Here is some problem. What is problem? In case of cos theta, okay, theta is okay. This is 0. Okay, I am wrong. This is theta 0, power is 1, and that is 1. Yes, that is a 1. You may say that 1 mean that may be right as theta power 0. Okay, that is a 1. So this may write in this form: n equal to 0 to infinity, n equal to 0 to infinity power n, be silent please, okay, power n theta power 2n factorial. Now let me check. If n power is 0, that will be a 1, theta power is 0, that will be also a 1. So there is a theta power is 0. You may observe that the theta power is 0, and factorial is also a 0. When n is equal to 1, that will be a minus, power is even, 2 factorial, 1 is 2. then n equal to when n equal to 2, that will be a 4 and that will be a positive. Again for 5 n equal to 5, that will be a minus, and this 5 2 3 3 for 3 n equal to 3 odd number, that will equal to minus 3 multiplied by 2 6 and 6 factorial. So this is the this will be a cos theta. And so what was the sin theta? Sin theta was a odd function and its value was n 0 to infinity minus 1 power is also a n, but theta was a 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 1. So this was that was a sin theta, and that was a that is a sin theta, and that is a cos theta. Okay. Okay, and this is because here this implies that cos theta is even function, because there is even power of theta, because the power of theta is always even, because theta power is always even in series. So cos theta cos plus minus theta is equal to cos plus हो या cos minus हो, cos theta will remain the same. Yes. But in the case of sin theta, if we compare these two, for the case of sin theta is odd function because theta power is odd in series. So sin plus minus theta will be equal to, mean if theta is plus, that will be a plus, if that theta is minus, then that will be a minus theta. So that is all about the sin theta and cos theta. Okay, got it?